Hey guys, Timon Hobo here! Next stop is Huelva in Spain. That's where I'm right now cruising to. From there I will take a ferry to Gran Canaria. And this ferry will actually take 38 hours. And I don't even book the cabin because this would be like the double of the price. So I have for 38 hours just a seat for me. So today in the morning, when I was actually planning the drive here, I realized that Huelva is in another time zone. So I actually have to hurry up a bit. So I'm driving as fast as I can with my precious Lolita. I really hope there won't be any breakdowns or something else that will take time. Otherwise I'll miss my boat, and I don't want that because it's expensive. But I think it will work out like it always does.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Hablas inglés?
Bueno, I speak something. I suppose you go to Gran Canaria. Okay?
Sí.
Take the second exit. Okay.
Segunda. Perfecto. No ticket yet, I only have the reservation.
Aquí, under the roof, please. Under the roof.
Well, I just get controlled by a dog for drugs. Nothing in there. Let's go to Gran Canaria! Looks like a hotel. There is even a reception and everything. So I got a place now for 38 hours. There we go. Let's check out the ship. Did now like 2.5 hours, and I have to say much better than a flight because you can walk around, discover everything. Yeah, really cool. I'm now at hour 8 and it's getting dark. We're kind of the only light in this big ocean, and yeah, now let's try to sleep a bit. Hour 17 and I didn't really sleep. There was this really annoying noise all the time, and it was also not comfy on the chairs, so I tried to sleep on the grounds. That was even more uncomfortable. But yeah, now I'm trying to see the sunrise, but it's a little bit too cloudy over there. Canaries. We just have been in Tenerife. There are the lights, and now it only takes 2 hours more and we are in Gran Canaria. Let's try to sleep 1 more hour. I just woke up. I did it. We're here. Gran Canaria! Woo. Leaving the ferry! Yeah, it was a exhausting ride, definitely. But what was even more exhausting was the check-in here. I was already really tired and I just wanted to go to sleep. I had to go to the hospital to make a COVID test, and that I can show this to the hostel staff. Unfortunately, the hospital fucked it up a bit, and they didn't send me the code to see my results. So after a long drama, I finally could check in and go sleeping. This is my hostel room for the next 2 days. Over here, that's my bed. Whoop, whoop. There's construction going on next side, that's why it's so loud. But really cool. I have here a little balcony, and best thing, I can check the waves from this window. That's actually what I also want to go to do right now. Let's go surfing. I'm now since quite a while in Gran Canaria, since already 16 days. I also met again some people I've already met twice on my journey, and they were up to go and visit the rum distillery from Arehucas. Obviously had to accompany them to this distillery, and yeah, it was really fun. It actually is the oldest distillery, the oldest rum distillery in whole Europe, so it was pretty interesting. Also included in this visitation of the rum distillery was a rum tasting, and that was definitely the best part. Right now I'm on the way to a mountain, and I hope my van will get there safely, because I heard the roads are very steep and curvy. But yeah, we will see. I think Lolita never disappointed me, so hopefully this time also not. So I arrived perfectly for some last light up here, and I have to say it was not too easy to get up here. Lolita had some troubles, but in the end she did it. Good girl. So behind there, this little thing, that's where I want to hike tomorrow. I think it will be a really beautiful hike. But yeah, first let's sleep some. So I'm on my way to up there somewhere, and yeah, I have to say it's super cold. I'm wrapped into a lot of clothes and my hands are still freezing, but yeah, super stoked for the sunrise. I have to say, I feel a bit like home. There are forests, it's not that warm. Yeah, it's really beautiful here, like in Switzerland.
Prayers, open sky, together we go, wild frontier, morning light, and all that follows, in the sun, in the storm, it's all or nothing, here with you, I'm so sure.
I'm almost there after 3 hours. I have to say I'm sweating.
Looking up, now we see the world it waits to be discovered. Every moment filled with wonder. Oh, we know what we were meant for. This great adventure.
That was a really nice break. I could have a nice breakfast with a really amazing view. Now there are coming so many people up. Let's go back. That was quick. So the hike was really fun. I actually found on the hike, I think the biggest pine cone I've ever seen. This one. It's really big. I think I will keep it. And I realized these streets are perfect for skating. So I will grab now my surf skate and go skating. Surfing the mountains! Woohoo!
Heard this beat in my dream.
So the trip to the mountains was really nice. It was so relaxing, quiet, beautiful. The hike was cool, the skating was amazing. And now I'm in an Airbnb because I was tested positive on Corona. And now I'm in quarantine. That's also why this vlog is coming so quick, because I have ton of times. But yeah, I'm super grateful for my friends. They bring me everything I need and cooked for me, and they also gave me the best room, so I always had Wi-Fi and the balcony. And fortunately, up here is a terrace where I could do some balance boarding, juggling, and also some workouts, so I could still move around and not be all the time in bed. Well, yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.
No problem.